Careers Zone YouTube channel. So here we will be giving you an regular updates regarding job openings pan India and as well as pan world. So please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video. Job number 22. So job role will be audit and assurance staff. Company will be Deloitte and job location is Gurgaon, Hyderabad, Bangalore. Requirement is CA. May attempt also fine. Salary will be 10 lakh to 12 lakh per annum and we have given the email ID to apply this job. So please apply the job and get your dream job friends. So now we are moving to next job. So job number 23, job role will be business analyst, company IT industry, job location Bangalore and requirement 3 to 8 years of experience into IT industry. Salary will be 15 to 30 lakh per annum. To apply, we have provided the email ID of Akram. So you can directly connect to this email ID friends. So now we are moving to the next job, job number 24. So job number 24, job role will be business analyst or reporting analyst. So this position is mixed position. So Qualcomm company name, job location will be Bangalore, 5 to 6 years of experience, salary up to 15 lakh they'll offering and we have given email ID to apply this job friends. So now we are moving to the next job, job number 25. Job role will be business intelligence engineer. Company name Amazon. So Bangalore, work from home not available. This is compulsory work from office. 3+ years of experience is required. Up to 12 lakhs per annum salary will be available and we have given the email ID. So you can directly drop your resume to this email ID. Job number 26. So job role will be chart process. Company's name is IT industry. So IT company. So job location Bangalore. Requirement freshers or up to 2 years of experience persons who is handling data. So salary will be 25k to 40k in hand. To apply this job, you can directly contact to this provided mobile number. So now we are moving to next job 27. Job role will be connect writer, Expono company name, job location Bangalore, requirement any graduate is okay, salary 3 to 3.5 lakh per annum. To contact Pooja.Shukal. Okay, so you can directly connect to this email ID. Now we are moving to job number 28. So job number 28, job role will be customer support semi-voice process. So company Convenient India, job location Bangalore, freshers to 2 years of experience, up to 3 lakh per annum they are offering the salary, 3 lakh to 4 lakhs. To apply, you can connect to Dhanalakshmi M. So we have given mobile number and email ID as well as. Job number 29. Job role data engineer. Company name consultant company. Location Bangalore. Requirement 5+ years of experience. Up to 10 lakh salary they are offering. And you can directly connect to this provided email ID. Job number 30. Role data science analyst. Company Infogain. Location Bangalore. Experience 6 to 8 years of experience they are looking and salary they are offering up to 15 lakhs. So you can directly connect to Neha.Saluja. So she is the HR. So now we are moving to job number 31. Job number 31, job role data engineer, company name IT, job location Bangalore, requirement 5 to 7 years, salary up to 12 lakh per annum. So you can directly connect to Kalyani. We have provided the email ID. Okay friends.